The topic we're discussing today is thermal mass. Thermal mass acts as a natural conditioner of temperature by the ability to absorb and store heat energy. During summer, this heat is then released at night to cooling breezes or clear night skies, keeping the house comfortable. In winter, the same thermal mass can store the heat from the sun and is then released at night, helping the home stay warm. There are two main types of thermal mass that are commonly used, the first being high thermal mass, which may have a high density such as materials like concrete, bricks and tiles. The other type is low thermal mass such as timber. Appropriate use of thermal mass throughout your home can make a big difference to comfortable and energy use. Although poor use of thermal mass can exacerbate the worst of your climate, so it's important to be effective with your design and appropriate of your climatic needs. In our temperate climate, maintaining thermal comfort in these conditions are relatively easy. Well-designed houses should require little, if any, auxiliary heating and cooling. The predominant requirement for cooling in this climate is often suited to lightweight, low-mass construction, which in most cases is the opposite of how we build in Western Australia. High-mass construction is also appropriate but requires more effort to passively design and avoid overheating in summer. Also, theoretically, with climate change, the summers will become more extreme and for longer periods, pushing the need for passive cooling rather than passive heating. For our sustainable home here in Mandurah, there were several key items taken in consideration. Thermal mass was to be located where solar access during winter was achievable and shaded during the summer. Also, it was to take into consideration the cooling breezes and cool night air access to help cool down these areas or disperse during both summer and winter, so a central location was used for our face brick feature wall. This thermal mass also helps separate different zonings within the home between living and sleeping. A combination of slab on ground and brickwork in appropriate areas would act as our thermal mass, while lightweight construction would be used to aid in the cooling. However, simulation modelling with house energy rating software was crucial in getting the balance correct, especially with the glass to thermal mass ratio. So again, it's important to have on board an experienced energy efficiency assessor.